Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Hi be! Happy 18th birthday! Kagid, daw na parang dati lang sabay ba tayong dahil alam mo na yung sarili mo. So, ayun. Happy 18th birthday, Riza. And sana magkita na tayo kasi tagal na natin din nagkikita. Like, last 2022 pa yata huling kita natin. Hindi tayo nagkikita kasi hindi ka umuuwi. Yun lang. Alam naman kasi puntahan kita dyan sa Pangasinan. Pero ayun, sana magkita na tayo. And more birthdays to come sa'yo. And sana sumakses ka sa buhay, be. Alam ko rin naman yung mga pangarap mo matataas din. So, sana maging successful. And sana kita na nga tayo. Ayun. And happy 18th birthday. Legal age ka na. Pwede ka na makulong. Ayan lang. Happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come. And see ya.
So, happy 18th birthday, Tommy. As Eleanor Roosevelt said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. May all your dreams come true. Have a fantastic debut. CC tried to make them super versatile so you can pick whichever one feels right for Tommy. Let me know if you want more. Make it more personal for Tommy. Make the readings more specific to Tommy's interest. Add a specific detail about Tommy's debut. Happy birthday, Tom!
Sure, here a warm and heartfelt birthday message you could send to your childhood friend. Happy birthday! It's crazy how far we've come since our childhood days. From silly games and endless laughs to all the memories we still carry today. I'm so grateful to have grown up with you and still have you in my life. You always have someone genuine. You've always been someone genuine, kind, and full of life. I hope your day is filled with laughter, good food, and people who make you happiest. Cheers to more memories and more birthdays ahead. Would you like me to make it more casual, more emotional, or funny and nostalgic? Hi Tam! Happy 18th birthday! I hope you're doing well there in the Philippines. So ayun, I hope that you enjoy your day. You be the most beautiful girl that you are on your 18th birthday. And I hope that you grow into a woman who is bold, who is passionate, and who is independent. I hope you also continue to be a good daughter and a good sister to your family. So, sending regards from the US. I love you, miss you.
Happy birthday, Riza! So yun nga yung sinasabi ko. So, kumusta ka? Sana ka masaya yung birthday mo, di ba? Kumusta yung celebration ng mga handa? Happy birthday ulit yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Siyempre dapat.
Hi, Riza! Happy 18th birthday! Sana pag naging madre ka, basbasan mo ako. Naalala mo pa ba nung bata tayo? Ikaw yung madre, ako yung padre. Eme lang. Mag-ingat ka dyan parati sa New York. Sana hindi ka madulas. Love, love.
Yo, my nigga Tam. Happy 80th birthday. Ang may papayo ko lang, huwag kang magdodroga. Enjoy your day, my nigga.
Happy birthday, ta. Mag-18 ka na. Parang dati lang nung last na nagbanding tayo ni ate mo dati. Ang late mo pa nun. Naalala mo ba yun? Yung pumunta tayo sa miltihan. Tapos nag-order ka ng fries and burger. Tapos nilibre ko kayo ni ate mo. Okay, ang tagal na nating hindi nagkita. So, sana magkita tayo soon. And yun nga, enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo yung mga wish mo sa buhay.
Ayan, so happy 18th birthday, Tam, Riza. Ayan. So wish ko lang na sana ipagpatuloy mo yung journey mo sa pagmamadre. Ayan. Sobrang saya ko na hanggang ngayon ay magkaibigan pa rin tayo. Simula nung nakilala kita nung Bible Month celebration dyan sa school mo. Ayun, so I am praying sa journey mo, sa vocation mo as a sister sa pagmamadre mo. And sana maka-inspire ka pa ng iba. So again, happy 80th birthday sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka pa. Ayan, yun lang. Good luck sa journey mo.
Hi, Tam! Happy 18th birthday! So, naalala mo pa ba ako? Ako yung sinaksak mo ng lapis nung kinder. Ay, hindi ba tayo magka-batch? Sorry.
So, happy 18th birthday. Stay pretty like your ate. And sana magbago ka na. Hey, hindi pala kita kilala personally. So, enjoy your day. And more birthdays to go.
Happy 18th birthday, Tam. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw at sa mga susunod pang mga araw. Hangad ko ang iyong kaligayahan at kaligtasan. At sana ay ban tayo ulit soon, no? Kasi yung last na ban natin kasi nung 5 years old ka pa, tapos hindi mo pa ako gaano kilala nun. Sinuntok mo pa nga ako eh. So, sana sa susunod na pakita natin.
Happy birthday, Tam. Sana maging maayos ng araw mo and enjoy your day. Pre, bayad ko dito.
Hi, Tami! Happy 18th birthday! So, naalala ko dati, naglalaro lang tayo kila Ina. And now, look at you, mag-18 ka na. Naalala ko rin ng 18th birthday ni Ina. Iniyakan mo ata siya noon. Kasi naalala ko, isa siya sa childhood friend mo. So, ayun, I wish you all the best. Happy 18th birthday and continue to be a blessing to your family. So, nandito lang lagi ang iyong childhood friend, si Ate Abby, kasama si Ate Ina. So, see you! Happy 18th birthday!
What's up, Tam? Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your life, enjoy your day. And God bless us always.
Hi Riza, happy birthday. Long time no see, miss nakita, OMG. So ayun, bago ang lahat, gusto ko palang mag-thank you dun sa regalo mo sa akin ng birthday ko, yung kambing. Maraming salamat. Naalagaan na siya ni Papa ngayon and good news, anak na siya. Siguro mga February. Update kita kung ilan yung magiging anak niya. So ayun, pasensya na din pala kung video greetings lang mabibigay ko sa'yo ngayong birthday mo. Sobrang busy ko kasi. But anyways, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi, Raisa. First of all, I would like to greet you a happy 18th birthday and wish you all the best in life, good health always, and sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Pag-pray mo kami always. Thank you so much for guiding me, for all the friendship. Maraming salamat. And I'm very grateful for you. And I'm hoping to see you soon and we could bond. Sana safe ka lagi kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Always pray to God and always praying to God na sana one day makamit mo yung genuine happiness sa buhay. Maraming salamat once again. Happy 18th birthday, Raisa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 18th birthday.
Hello po, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Baka doon lapat.